guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Char! Parang may something sa akin. Face, kasi kumakain ako guys. So, anyhow, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and like na rin para bongga! Oh, hi Gingy! Say hi to everybody! Say hi to everyone! Ouch! No. So, anyhow, in today's vlog is mag-unboxing na naman ang cake. Yes! Unboxing from Nose Boutique. Chara. Alam niyo na, pag Nose Boutique, it's a gold o Java. So, ayan. Buksan na natin para mag-release ang ating video. Chara! O, diba? So, yes. Ano lang, ito one day lang ito, guys, ha? I ordered it. Tuesday. Dumating siya ng, Thursday ngayon. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So, almost like a 2 days or 1 day. What the fuck? So, ayun na nga. Alex Mochi. Say hi. Hello. Ow. Cranky siya. Bagong gising kasi. Oh, cranky ang aking smoothie baby. Sige na. Doon ka na. So, tara ha. Ito lang naman ang laman ng box. Ito yung box. At ito naman ang laman. Naka-envelope siya ka. Very, very sad. So, I ordered something. So, surprise na lang natin. Surprise. So, I got 1, 2. Ito yung unahin natin. I'm so excited. Tara! Walang laman. Siyempre, sa loob. Tara! It's a necklace, guys. Yes. Na, paper clip. 6.5. So, i-times yun na lang, guys, ng 3,200. O, diba? Binigyan ko yun ng So, 6.5 is nasa 20,000 something. 20,800 plus yung shipping fee. Tara! I love it! Toggle siya. Paper clip na toggle. Yes, kasi wala pa ako nito, guys. O, diba? See that? See that? O, diba? Oh, hi, Choco. Is that you, Choco? Naubara na ka. Yeah, it's Choco Baby. So, ayan. Sukat na natin, guys. Ako lang palang magsusukat. Hindi kayo kasama. So, ayan. 16 inches. OMG. This is the first time I had the toggle na necklace. Toggle ba? Tama ba? So, ayan. Very pretty. O, diba, guys? Yes. So, 20,800 plus yung shipping fee, 290. So, naging 21,000 plus. Teka lang, kunin ko yung phone ko, ha? Para i-total natin. Tara! I'm back, guys. So, ayun siya. 32 times 6.5. Ayan, 20,800 plus 290 na shipping fee. 21,090. And then, nakita ko ang guys. Nakita ko yung nag-scroll down ako. May nakita akong gusto ko na earrings. Yes, it's a, they call it arrow something. Cupid's arrow earrings. What the fuck? Buksan na natin, guys. I'm so excited. Tara! Walang laman. Siyempre sa loob. Tara! O, diba? And it's a 2.7 grams. 2.7 grams is nasa 8,640 siya, guys. So, diba? So, ayun. 8,800. 640. Paulit. O, diba, guys? It's so pretty. O, diba? 16 inches yarn. 6.5. May paper clip ako, pero medyo malaki yun. Hindi siya toggle. So, yan. Ma-award na naman ako sa aking hobby. Kasi, ayun ng gold. But this is my, earn from my store. O, diba? Pero, siyempre, dinadagdagan kasi short. Mapapanood niya to guys kasi pinapanood niya ng aking YouTube. So, ito na siya guys. Tara! Tadang! Paano ko ba ilagay? Para makita niyo na maayos. Oops. So, ganyan siya guys. Kita niyo ba? So, arrow siya. So, may heart. Ito ata yung pang right. Oops! Ito yung pang right. I think I will try it. Should I try it? Baka maubos naman yung oras, no? So, fast forward na lang natin. So, this is the right side. Tanggalin ko muna yung aking mga keme-keme. So, ayan. Ayan, ayan. Good. Ganyan siya, guys. Kita niyo ba? Okay, kaya natin. Pa right side. Right side siya. Medyo malaki ang butas ng tenga ko dito sa aking right side. Tama ba yung ginagawa ko? Wait lang. Oops. Oh my goodness. Struggle. Wait lang. So guys, ito na siya. Struggle is real. I think it's so pretty. Don't you? Oh, are you agree, Gingy? Ah, yes. He's agree. Are you agree? So, yan na siya guys. The arrow. Char, this is the left side. And this is the right side. Di ko na tinanggal itong isa guys. Kasi nakikita yung butas. I think maganda rin siya pag meron ding one pair of earrings there. Kasi maliit din naman to eh. So, yan siya guys. I don't have mirror. So, struggle is real. Ingatan lang talaga pag nawala yung kwan niya. Pakaw. Pakaw ba yung tawag? Charm. Yung lock niya. Kasi sobrang liit. Pati ito. Kala ko nawawala kanina. So, I'm so scared. So, yun lang naman guys, yung unboxing, dalawang aking nabili sa Nose Boutique. At, ayun. How much I spent? Ayaw nang sabihin kasi, you know, nanonood ang aking partner galore. Sabihin na naman, ayaw kasi niya ng gold guys. Kasi it's not good investment for him. But for us, as a Filipino, it's really, really a good investment. Kasi pang emergency, diba? Wala kang cash. Sanla mo lang. It's a pawnable gold. Diba? So, ayun. Yun lang naman. I'm so happy. Ang tagal ko na ito hinahanap, guys. So, now, I'm so happy. Meron na akong arrow na may heart. Char. At itong isa. O, diba? Pang ano lang ba? Pang fashion. So, gusto rin ng aking daughter. So, she can have it if she want. Baro siya. Diba? At itong aking necklace. I'm so happy. Diba? Kasi tagal siya. So, hindi naman daw siya delikado na iyan. Kasi, secure din naman siya. Hindi siya basta-basta na natatanggal. Ano ba yung aking sorry for my accent guys. Because, you know, I'm not Tagalog, I'm not Bisaya, I'm Maguindanao. O, diba? So, medyo may katigasan ng aking accent. Malalaman din naman. Or, ano naman yung pinagsasabi ko? Basta yun na yun guys. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Diba? Hi! Say bye, Gingy! Bye to everyone. Sana nagustuhan nyo to guys. O, diba? Kasi, I'm so happy din eh. Kasi I got my new char collection. Lang guys, tinanggap yung bra ko. Kasi nga, dapat dito naka-focus. Dami ko nang sinabi. Beautiful, no? Oh, diba? So, bye guys! I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like na rin para bongga! Babush! Char!